nigga. Even your friends be pressing. Your boyfriend pressing. Your ex nigga. Even your friends be pressing. Your boyfriend pressing. Your ex nigga.
Nigga car, made a bitch stop at your big house. Big ol' watch, and this shit don't even TikTok. Roll a blunt with my nerves bad. You bitches getting on my nerves, man.
Hey y'all, it's your girl kylashaiibooking, whatever you want to say, and I is back with another video. If you are a new viewer, what is good, what's poppin', don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you keep watching. But if you're a returning subscriber, what is good, what's poppin' as well, bitch. So today I'm going to show you guys how I install my extensions. I have these bitches in right now, honey. Yes, bitch, I have extensions. But before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you guys know when a bitch posts a new video, and follow me on social media because why the fuck not? So the other day I was just playing with my hair. I was like, I need to do my hair was a mess, so I just put in extensions. So I received these extensions probably like a couple weeks ago, and I just never, or a month ago, I had them for a minute and I just never knew what to do with them, because for one, when I received it, I realized that the color was too light, but you guys can't really tell. I feel like it blends in pretty well, but I know it's a different color kind of. But so I received an email from, I want to say her name was Madison, saying, hi beautiful, my name is Madison, blah blah blah, and I'm in charge of the marketing efforts for IrresistibleMe. IrresistibleMe is a brand that specializes in high quality 100% natural Remy clip-in hair extensions and hair tools at great prices. So she told me I could choose from the hair extensions or styling tools. I really don't know how to use styling tools besides a damn wand color and a flat iron, so I was like, let me just try these hair extensions. I don't know how to do hair extensions either, but I was just like, let me just step out in the motherfucking box, right? So the hair that I told her that I wanted when she asked me, you know, what length and which color, I said chocolate brown, 16 inches, 200 grams. I want to say I received 10 pieces of hair. I want to say maybe more, but I'm gonna, when we open the box, I'll tell you guys. But so these are the hair extensions. I actually like them. I didn't think I was gonna like hair extensions because I just never wore hair extensions and I never knew how to wear hair extensions, but I like them. It blends in very well. It enhances, which it's supposed to do, it enhances your hairstyle and all that good shit, honey. So you can see where my real hair ends. Like, it ends right there. But I mean, I blended it in very well. I feel as though I did, so you can't really tell. So it came in this box, just a regular black box. Don't mind my nails, like, again, because like I said, I broke my middle finger, so I can't get it done until it heals. So, and it's like this, and right here just has the website and a picture of a girl. I'm assuming she has hair extensions in because that's what they're promoting. But the hair came in this packaging right here. But so my dumbass, I did not realize that it says open this side first. This is the tester side, and I decided to open the bigger side first and to see if it matched my hair color, and it didn't. So when I emailed Madison, I told her, you know, it was the wrong hair color. She's like, sorry to hear that, but if you just open up the tester, you can send it back and fix the color, or you can just dye it. So I'm like, shit, god damn it. My dumbass opened up the wrong side. The sample side first, you get like a couple, I believe it's 2 pieces. I want to say it's 2 clip-ins pieces. And here's what it looks like when it's not straight. And so it comes curly like this. This is chocolate brown. Bounce, bounce with me. Bounce, bounce. This is what it looks like. It has the clips on the inside. This piece right here, this specific piece has 3 clips. And all you do is put it on your head. Make sure you hear the snapping or you feel the snapping on your head, and that means it's locked in. And these extensions don't feel heavy on my head. Like, it doesn't feel heavy at all. If you rub your hands on my head, yes, you'll feel like, you know, the clips, but it's not lumpy or anything. It's just the way that you installed the extensions. Thanks again, Madison, for sending me this hair and reaching out to me. I don't be knowing how you guys find me, but I'm just so ecstatic that you guys find me. But I really do appreciate receiving these hair extensions. If you guys want to purchase some hair extensions or try out some hair extensions, I will put the link down below in the description box. But if you guys want to know how I got this hairstyle and how I installed my hair extensions, keep on watching this. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is just part my hair just to get the shit out the way, so when I need to actually part it, it'll be easier for me. going to start off with just straightening my edges because, bitch, my shit... Look, listen, I took a shower yesterday and didn't even care, so I said fuck it, and then my hair got messed up. So this is the result of what happens when you take a shower and just carelessly don't care. So I'm just going to straighten my edges. Cause do y'all see the nips in the back of my head? But that's besides the point. So all I'm doing right now is this is not really a clean part, but I'm just sectioning off the back of my hair, so when I put the clip-ins in, I'll put it right over top of that part. But I'm gonna straighten this just to make it a little less puffy, cause bitch, this shit's a mess. So now these are the extensions. I'm just going to pop them open so you guys can see how you're supposed to clip them on and everything. Okay, so all I'm doing is literally just placing the tracks, god damn it, the extensions right in the place that I want to, and then I'm going to press it, and then you're going to hear it and feel it snap on. That means it's locked in. So I'm going to do that straight across, and mind you, this is not a straight part, so the shit looks a mess, but it looks good once we're done. All I'm doing now is just straightening the extensions with my real hair to make sure it blends in properly. So just straighten it to your liking and make sure it looks good, because bitch, don't try to say I told you so, and I didn't. I told you to straighten it and make it look like it's blending in. So I'm going to repeat the first step to do the next 2 pieces I'm going to put in. I only have a total of 3 pieces in my head, so it's an easy hairstyle. As you see, I'm about to put the extensions in right now. Same exact way I put the other ones in. Snap it in, lock it, and you good.
Dice is on the beat.
So now I'm going to take my edges out and straighten them. I'm not literally taking them out. I'm just, you know what I mean. And then I'm going to straighten the middle piece, if you want to call it that. This piece right here, I'm going to straighten that so it's nice and straight once I put it up into the bun. So now I'm just gonna get my edges into the placement that I want them to be. I have no product on the comb part of it. I just combing it in the swoop direction that I want it to be in. And this is my even edge control. This is the extra hold because it says honey girl. But so first I'm gonna use a little bit of water on the comb and just place it on the edges, so I can make it a little bit more, I can see how the edge is going to look pretty much. And then I just put the edge control over top to stick it down. I thought somebody was in my house, y'all. Listen, I was in the house by myself. now I'm just going to take it out of the little ponytail and brush it up. Since I did have a little bit of flyaways, I'm going to brush it up and actually do the bun. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was very helpful. If not, my bad. I tried, I thought. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.